Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video, guys. As you can see on my screen, this is me pass app. I just want to do some little withdrawal for you to see that it still works and you can withdraw as little as 0.1 meg token. So if you register on this app for the first time, they're gonna give you a free 1 meg token, which is $5.9 something. Show you the real price as we speak now, or as I record this video. I'm gonna show you the price of 1 meg token. It is above $5. Okay, so if you register for the first time, they're gonna give you this 1 meg token and they will stake it. So you will be just tapping on this place right here to claim rewards, just like that. Then you can see confirm withdrawal. And this is just I'm redeeming the one that I was given for free. I have done withdrawal on this particular app 6 times. This is the 6th time. Okay, the 6 times. So this is the 6th time. Okay, so I've withdrawn with if you check my previous video, some I recorded while doing live withdrawal, some I never did. Okay, so you can too, guys. You can also do the same thing. You can see everything is here. So I'm gonna scroll. I'm gonna go back. Let me go back. I'm gonna go back. So for the first time, if you register, you have to finish verification, of which you have to upload your identification card, that is a government ID, or you put your passport. Okay, so here where it is written me ID, if you click on me ID, you'll be able to upload the documents that are required. There are 3 options, so just choose one. And again, they'll need your face for verification to make sure that it is you, not a robot. Okay, after that, they're gonna give you 1 free meg token for new register. So okay, so there are 3 major ways of earning here. They're gonna give you the one you will stake, and also another way is to claim rewards on a daily basis. So you are supposed to log in on a daily basis. That is the second way. And another way is inviting your friend. If you invite your friend, of which it is free, you just share with them your link, you are going to be given free 0.1 meg token, of which you can sell. Okay, so they have their P2P platform where people sell and buy these meg tokens, so you don't need to strain or struggle where to sell. Okay, I've talked about it several times in several videos, and in case you have any question, just comment down below. I'll be able to help you if possible. Okay, so you can check in on a daily basis without jumping or skipping any day. You're gonna get rewards. As the more you sign in, the more you are in, rewards will increase on a daily basis. And what else that you need to know? Invite, you just tap on this area here, you're gonna get your unique link. You're gonna share it with your friend. Okay, you're gonna click on just copy down there, then you copy, then you're good to go. You're gonna get the reward. So in my account, I have 0.3258938 meg token, of which I can sell if I want. So I just want to do it now. I want to sell it to you guys while you guys are seeing what. So for the first thing, I'm gonna scroll down here. Because you can see I'm having some here on Make Hub and also on roll up check-in. So your check-ins will be here. So I'm gonna just click on this one to swap it or put it on one wallet, or in one wallet. Okay, oh god, okay guys, a minute. So you can see here we have on chain check-in, then cross chain. So I want to put them here. Okay, so let's see, this is for checking in. Okay, so I want to put them in one wallet, guys. You see here. So I'm gonna do something called right here. I'm gonna cross chain. Okay, yeah, so cross chain, I'm gonna put the one in hub, I'm gonna put the one in I'm gonna tap on this arrow so that I can swap the one in Roller Check-in wallet to a hub for the TrueMe hub. Okay, so I'm gonna click what I want to swap. 0.06 0637. So I'm gonna click on exchange. You can see estimated gas fee is 0.001 MEC token. Then we have estimated time is 15 seconds. Then we have amount to receive is 637. Okay, so let us do it. You can see I'm gonna click on confirm. Balance insufficient. Okay, let me remove the fee that they're gonna charge. Put something like 2. See, yeah, they have agreed, so I'm just gonna click on that. Wait for the system. It's so simple. That is when, okay, I hope you've understood all the steps that I've done. So we're gonna go next. After that is successful, you're gonna go next to the P2P section. So I'm gonna show you where it is. Okay, just watch the video until the end. So guys, you can see the balance now has decreased from this Roller Check-in wallet. So let us check on my main account. So okay, yeah, let me refreshing the page. Okay, the page has refreshed, so you can see what I have here and what I have here. Okay, so that is that. So the next thing, we're gonna go to explore. So if you go to explore, okay, you're gonna see something like help center, then blockchain explorer, we have click to join, then this one unicorn, we also have transactions. So this is where we have me to P2P or market where you can sell and buy MEC token. Okay, so the green one, leave alone the unicorn. Okay, so now we're just busy with this one. For the first time you haven't joined, you have to click on join. But as for me, I'm just going to connect it. Then I'm gonna click on my browser Chrome, because that is what I use mostly. So let us wait for it, guys. Let us wait for it. It's so simple, guys. It's so simple. If you haven't joined MePass app, it is free. It is worldwide. It is so simple. So the next thing you're gonna click on is MePass. Even if you are doing this for the first time, click on MePass to register, to authorize. You're gonna see what I'm doing, so make sure you do that. Okay, so it has been so long before I've done it, so I'm just gonna do it as if I'm registering for the first time. Okay, so let us wait. So I'm gonna join these ones together. Okay, I'm gonna join them together like that. Then wait, I've connected mine. So the next thing, after connecting, after you have authorized, you're gonna connect. Then again you refresh. Okay, then you start again. It will go take you back to the click to join. Then it's gonna take you, click on it, it's gonna take you to the market. You see what I'm talking about, guys? So you can see the price now. Imagine this thing started with 0.1 USDT. One MEC token was fast, like one MEC token used to be one MEC token used to be 0.1 or 1 cent. This is so they have added other ways of buying and selling. So they have Visa, they have let us see, they have now Visa, WeChat, bank transfer, Union, USDT, Ali, Gcash, Maya, Shopee Pay, they have Banco de whatever, UPI, Lightning UP, MBPC, Google Pay, Momo. So they have added many things, guys. They have added even wow, Skrill, Naya Pay, OPay, PalmPay, Kuda Access Bank, instant transfer. Yeah, but transfer Middle East. But for me, I prefer USDT. I know they've also even added M-Pesa Kenya. So let me try M-Pesa today. So these people have really have added many things. So today I'm gonna try M-Pesa. So because I'm going to sell, so you can sell, you can see the price now is 5.95 and you can buy two. You can buy, those people who bought it at 1 cent can now sell and make a lot of money. Guys, this is all about crypto, and the good thing, these people, they have their own market, P2P market. So if you want to sell, you want to search for people who have this person is having OKX, Bybit, Binance, Bitgate, fast payment, and the other person is having Binance. Most of them are having Binance BEP20. You know, most of them are using all these things for security, because you know they are so secure as compared to other payment methods. I agree with them, like that's true. Anyone using M-Pesa? Anyone using M-Pesa? You also have to check. Okay, it seems to be like those who are using M-Pesa, I cannot see them. So guys, I want to use Binance. This person is taking from 0.5 and I'm having 0.3, so the limit will take me out from that person. The second person is using Binance UID notes here under notes. This is where I'm reading, and also the limit can accept me. So I'm gonna click on sell. I'm gonna use Binance UID. In case you don't know what Binance UID is, I'm gonna show you. If you click on your Binance profile, guys, I'm sorry, I was talking while cooking my baby's porridge. So my baby's porridge is ready, and I just want to put it somewhere good so that when she wakes up she can take it. Yeah, so guys, the video is long already, so you can see the price here. I'm gonna click on the amount I want to sell. I want to sell 0.3. Remember what I had in my bank account, 0.32. I told you guys you can sell as little as 0.1, and you can see what you're gonna get in USDT. Okay, so imagine if you have around 50, okay, you're gonna get 298. Okay, so this thing is real, it works. So as for me, I just want to do this little transaction so you guys can see what I mean by you can sell as little as you want. So I'm gonna click on this. You can see there. I'm gonna click on confirm. Insufficient balance. Okay, let me put around 1.5. So that one, it has accepted. So I'm gonna click on go to authorize. Okay, so guys, after authorizing, you're gonna go back again to click on the same thing as if you are starting again. You're gonna see your pending transaction. You're gonna follow the instructions. Okay, it's so simple, but many people find it difficult to do, but it's so simple. So you can see my transaction. So I'm gonna go back to my transaction over here to complete it. Okay, so the same thing you're gonna do. You can see I'm supposed to send this person this amount, and this is the fee. So I'm gonna click on ID here. I'm gonna click on it. So you can see the process is trading record processing appeal. So it is still not yet processed. So you can see ID, this person's ID. So processing, waiting for buyer. Okay, chart history. So let us see. So I'm gonna click on it to see the person's information. So you can as well cancel order. So waiting for the buyer, only 3 minutes remaining. Order ID, that is the ID. So you can also track your transaction over there. So you can also chat the person if you want. You click on chat. Okay. Yeah, you can chat the person. So ID number is done on check. Please do not share personal contacts mentioned in the chat series for election results. Okay, you're not supposed to share personal information. Okay. So I'm going back to my account to click on send. Okay, I'm gonna click on send. I'm going back to my account. I'm going to click on send to send the person. I'm gonna put the ID. So guys, you can see I'm gonna wait for the buyer. You see, waiting for buyer acceptance. I didn't check that, so I have to wait for the buyer to accept me. Okay, then I'm gonna click on send, use the make token ID or alert address, then send the person. Then after that, the system will confirm. I provide the person my Binance ID. If you want your Binance ID, go to your Binance, then your profile, you'll see something in numbers, then you're gonna be told Binance ID, then you copy. That is it. Okay, so that is it, guys. So let me wait for this person. In case the person doesn't confirm, the system will cancel, then I'm going for another person. That is it, guys.